Hello friends, today we will discuss integral of two functions. How do we define that the integral of two function? Because it is the integral of two functions, then it is the product of two function, and the product of two functions integrate by parts of the functions, right? Now let us define what is the integration of by parts. Integration by part is that integral of u dv is equals to uv minus integral of v du, right? This is the integral of by parts. Now let us define how do we define that integral of x f dash of x dx. What is that? Let us define by part. We will prove that by putting what is the value of u and what is the value of v, and where there is x and f dash of x, right? So we will put by putting the values of this, and then the integral is equal to this, right? Now let us define f dash of x dx is equals to dv. By left hand side, u dv is equals to, what is that? U is x and dv is equals to f dash x dx, right? X is equals to u by this by parts integration, right? By left hand side, f dash dx is equals to dv and u is equals to x, right? Now as we want it to be in the form of fx, right? As we want to be in fx, not from the f double dash of x, right? Now let us define. Firstly we have now we will equate it by right hand side, uv minus integral of v du. So we will have v. What is v? Because there is no v, right? It is, we will let dv. So we will have to firstly find out what is v. Let us define v is equals to integral of f dash of x dx, because when we integrate it, then it is v, and this and integrated this gives you v, value of v, right? So v is equals to integral of f dash of x dx is equals to fx. Similarly we have u is equals to x, then we will have to find out du. What is du? Du is equals to dx. So put the value in the uv minus integral of v du. So the integral of x f dash of dx is equals to x u into v fx. V is fx minus integral of fx dx plus c. Okay, that is the integral of x f dash of x dx. Do not afraid of this, what kind of function is this given. We will find out by integrating